What up, people? Welcome back. Another day, another episode. The weather kicked up on us again. It got up in like the high 40s. So I figured I'm on my way to the grocery store. And what better way to get there than to ride my baby, you know? Been a minute. And it's actually real nice out here. It's beautiful. Like, I'm not cold. All I got is like my little bear suit on and what I call my bear suit. And yeah, I'm out here and it feels good. Hands ain't cold. I mean, the damn Arctic blast thing or whatever it was called that we had, anything feels good right about now, I'll tell you that much. Got down to like 4 degrees here. I know I shouldn't be complaining. Some places it was negative 30, but it's crazy. But yeah, we on the way to the grocery store. And today I'm trying to start a new series. Today I'm going to start something called Today's Wish. Now, this is something that I'm doing because a lot of people harp on me about where I get my products at and, you know, how good a quality they may be. And, like, yes, of course, if you buy cheap stuff, many times you do get cheap results. But what I'm going to start doing is sharing with you guys my reviews and whatnot on the things that I've gotten from Wish that actually were very positive and turned out great. Many of my upgrades and things that I got for this bike came off of Wish, and they will be featured in other episodes. I won't tell you exactly all the things that on the bike that came from Wish, but I will, once I get to the parking lot, show you one thing I got off Wish that I really like, and it's how I'm going to get these groceries home once I get them in the bag, because I'm making some dip. This dip going to be good. I took the same dip to work, and everybody tore it up. Today's Wish, brought to you by yours truly. This is not a sponsored video. I decided to do this on my own. I said, what the hell? I'm me. Let me tell people what I be getting. Nah, but I'm playing now. I'm going to just show y'all like all the dope things that I pick up on the low and like how they turn out for me. But yeah, you'll see if they break, you'll be with me when I'm stunting and whatnot. So you'll know if like, hey, actually I almost gave away one of the things I got off. I keep looking at it. If you haven't been able to tell what it is thus far, oh no. I'm going to just jump forward to the review and show y'all what we got. Here we go. Okay, so here we are, fully shopping bag. And I'm going to show you the first thing on the first episode of Today's Wish. And that is this marvelous book bag. Now, this book bag I think cost me, I don't want to lie. I'm going to post the price up here once I go and look it up. I don't want to lie, but it wasn't expensive at all. And it comes in different brands. You can get it in KTM, Kawasaki, Honda. I think there's one with a Rai on the side. There's a couple different ones. Anyway, but the thing I love about this most, especially if you're going to be rocking cameras and whatnot, is the fact that the compartments, it opens up like that. And you can store all your different batteries and whatnot in here if you need to, charger. If you got a laptop, you want to put it in there, you can. But it's supposed to fit a helmet. Now, it'll fit my half shell and maybe a female's helmet, but it's not going to fit a full-size male helmet, I don't think. I haven't really tried it yet, but this is supposed to be for your shoes. And yeah, like, got a little spot here, so if you got a Camelback, you want to put it in there, run your hose out, you got your water, and you're good to go. And it holds a good amount. I did my church gig this morning. Had to go sing. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm an opera singer. That's what I do. And then, you know, for a side job, I work at churches and I cantor at the church. But, yeah, this marvelous thing. It's beautiful. I love it. Little carbon fiber finish on it. Like I said, the Kawasaki. Spelt right and everything. The only thing I found wrong with the bag, and this is what happens when you get some stuff from Wish, I'll tell you all the positive, but on one of these straps, they gave me double soft side Velcro. That's about it. Other than that, the bag is perfectly fine and completely usable. I'm going to throw this bag back on. I'm going to run in here and get my ingredients that I need. I'm starting to get hot in my suit. But like I said, it really ain't that cold out here. And yeah, I'm going to end this one right here at the Foley's. Until next time, people, I'm your boy EG. Holla at me. You know where to find me.